Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So this morning is the Friday, the last this will be the last trading day of this week. This week is special, right? It's just 4 days of trading, so a little bit different than the normal week. And also this is the 4th week of June, so we have a lot. Next week will be the final week of June, and we still in Q2. And that's where we are at right now. Let's see how it opened today, right? Let we check a look at the volume for pre-markets today for a SPY. The pre-markets we have is right here is about $1.6 million, $6 million share. Yep. Let's see. The pre-market for today is lower than yesterday. Yesterday about 2.1 million. So that means that not much people engages. But let's see. I want to take a look at the monthly chart real quick. We see that. So you see that it checked out a liquidity on August last year, and when we see that, we start shorting, we start building short position. If we want to trade in so-called position trade or swing trade, whenever we see this buy side liquidity checking, then we start build a short position. And you see that informant we have all up close right there, so give us some idea of the high time frame right there. But let's see how it opened today, right? The open today, the first candle will go up. Let's see. Look at the 4 hour. You see where we are. Okay, so right here at 4 hour, you see it's really bearish here. It start go down to this fair value gap right here. It reveal is the fair value gap right there. It start going down, and here is the high time frame is monthly. The main right there. But I think the important key level also right here at the monthly. It break down on that bearish breaker. It stay below there, so that means it bearish right there. Look at the monthly table, we can see those two levels right there. So the level we see right there is this is the mean for this bearish breaker, and also here's the close of this another bearish breaker. But this level I think is more, it seems like it's the most interesting one, because it create a swing low. You see swing low right here, right? And then it have a fair value gap right there. Yeah, you can say it's a little bit straight right there. It's high and low. It look like no fair value gap, but you can see that there are a little bit you can call it implied fair value gap, right? It's called implied from the open of this one and the close of this one, the implied fair value gap right there. And this one go few exactly around that fair value gap, but it's below the bearish breaker. So this one is February is one of is a key level. So when we see this stay below this level, we know it bearish, start bearish trend right there. So let's see. I'll go back to see how it's gonna moving for today, Friday. So we expect that will not much movement or not move for this month. Because look at the statistic we have, right? For June, right, we have the percentage up probably for month of for June. The month of June is up, is about 48%, and we use this data for 30-year data, right, or 31 candle, right, which is about 31 year right there. So that's the data set we have, and the average rent is about $10. So let's see to see if the $10 how about this June, to see if fall into the average. With $25. Yeah, right. 18. The high of low of day. Let's see. So 16, 416. Let's see. Yeah, 44. Yeah, it's above average. That's a lot. 44, so about 24 or $27 move, which is 2 times of the average right there. So it's a huge move for this June, right? Yeah, that's right here. It's right there. The average $27 right there. Wow. The range right there, up way above. So it's huge move in June. So this may set up a huge order block for it to go down right there. So that's our speculation right there. We see how it works. And now look at the 1 minute time frame. So after the first candle and the second candle is order block, and then it go up. We see anything interesting so far? Let's look at 5 minutes time frame. So basically it check out the liquidity from previous day low. It check it out. So if you want to go long, then that's the setup you want to go. You want the sell side liquidity taken before you engage in the long setup, a long position. Because a lot of people are short today, so maybe try to go up to check out the bear. Wow, it's just around this level. You see the main threshold. Yeah, look like you're gonna move fast or move slow today. Let's see. So we are we are 9:39. So we are 9 minutes into the trading day. So let's see. You see any setup that we look, we see any fair value gap. And on 5 minute time frame, we see fair value gap right there. We see fair value gap right here, right? So sell side liquidity checking, order block, fair value gap. So if we want, it will be a retest of order block, fair value gap. So if we want to go long, then this is where we need to go long. Okay, if we go long, then our target gonna be where we're gonna see our target on high time frame. Let's see, or it will continue to go down. So if we stay below this level, then that maybe it's gonna go down. Right here, this level. Yeah, we can enter along right here, but where we gonna want to go for the target? That is our question. We have to identify the target before we. But however, it look bullish setup right here for a 1 minute, but on 5 minutes, it will be a bearish setup. You see right here, right? Order block right here, fair value gap, and retest this order block. So we need to go short right here. We only see fair value gap. We don't see any gap right here. Implied fair value gap, maybe. Yeah, that's the 5 minutes right there. So when we see the conflict, between two sometimes, then we're not gonna check the trade, right? M5. We can identify this our target, right? Let's say if we want to check the trade right here, when it retests the order block after the fair value gap. So let's say we want to check this trade. Let's suppose we check this trade. So we gonna check screenshot of this. We want to check this trade. So what is this trade? This trade we will call order block, right? Order block, fair value gap, retest, and it's a long setup. Entry time is 9:38. Okay, targets will be 43461. Let's see if it come out first one. The reason we take this trade is the sell side liquidity. In this case is the previous day low or purse. Yeah, that's the rule of engagement, right? Liquidity bust first. Okay, and let's see how it play out for in this trade. So we want to enter it here. Now it's got right there. Wow, it comes out right away. That's our experiment, right? So if we're thinking about long, it's a second chance for us to go long. Let's look at the smart money diversion to see if anything interesting show up. So for the smart money diversion, right here on the left it's QQQ, and on the right the SPY right there. Right. So basically it make the low yesterday 9:30, and then it make the high. The same for the SPY. But look, the SPY is already taken the low of, previous day low, right? It's taken out. So basically it make a lower low, but QQQ haven't make the lower low yet. So we better go in and short the QQQ, because the QQQ will make the lower low. Or if we want, we can go long on SPY, because SPY already make a lower low, and the QQQ haven't made a lower low. So that's our T6 right there. Anything that we need to see? Yes, I believe that. So maybe we don't need to go long on SPY right now, because it will be consolidated. Wait until the QQ make a lower low to see if it more go lower, or it stop right there. Then we can go long. So we don't need to go long earlier right here. Okay, let's go back to the trade that we take earlier, right? We put right here, we take in what our stop loss. Our stop loss gonna be maybe the midpoint of the order block. So we still in a trade. Let's see if we go chicken. Yes, we're gonna take our stop loss on the hit if we check that trade. Or for a bigger stop loss, we can stop loss at this level at the lower here to see if we were chicken or we're chicken out. Yeah, for this kind of trade, you need to have a stop loss right at the low. If we put at the mean of the order block right here, it is too tight, and you may get risk of, you may be risk of kicking out the trade too soon. But it looked like, yeah, it looked like we're gonna check it out. Let's see. Here's our stop loss if we take the trade. Okay, we're not taking the trade. We just do analysis right there. We do a real-time testing. Wow, look like it just retested and it go up. So if our stop loss is right at this level 432.71, then we still in the trade, and we still have a chance to hit our target right here. Let's see how it's behavior right here. Today we see the open 9:30, 9 o'clock open and 9:30 open. They kind of not stay too close together, different from yesterday. But let's look at yesterday right here. You see they say very close. So let's look to see this the open of yesterday to see it look bearish, or it's gonna, you know, it's gonna be touch this level, the price level right here is one of our reference right there. You see how it react to yesterday open, right? We can put the annotation right here. So on the right, and we say previous day open. It's one of point of entry for us. And we can see right here is a double top pattern, so we can short right here, and we can see this is a what right here is a barrier breaker right there, barrier breaker. Okay, and then we see the fair value gap right here, so it can be a good setup for, oh, we didn't see that coming. Okay, let's annotate this, right? This is a barrier breaker on the 1 minute time frame, and it did retest that right at that level. You can do the whole thing right here if you want to. Yes, this is a barrier breaker and the fair value gap within that. So a setup for that, if we want to go short right there, it's just a retest. So if we want to go short 37, 42, that will be a setup for us right there. Okay, let's annotate this to see how I take a screenshot of this. Okay, let's say we check, we didn't see this setup, but now we see it. Let's say we check a trade right here. What the setup force? Okay, hold on. So retest right there, right? What the time frame for to get 42? We can enter here 42 or 35. Okay, let's do this. Alright, 32. So 2 minutes into the trading, we can enter a short position right here, right? Yep, not 32, but it's actually 35. It's the 35. That's the time, right? We need to see what the time right here, and we can go here. What is this barrier breaker? 39. Okay, this is our second entry if we want to go short. Okay, let's take screenshot of this setup of this trade if we take it. So what you call this trade? This setup we call barrier breaker, fair value up. Okay. Retest. Short setup. Entry time gonna be 09, 35 or 09, 42. Then what will be your target then? We will look at the high time frame and see. We just leave the target open for now, right? Yeah, we entry here, or we can entry here. Let's finish 6 green sun and we will look at the high time frame to see where the target we're gonna be. So if we take that trade, it's gonna go to retest again. Where our stop loss? Our stop loss is right here. Okay. So this is a breaker. Retest. It's a short setup. Yeah, it got ran right now. You see double top, it started to go down, but it don't go down. And right here, it didn't make a lower low, so it can be a bullish signal right now. Yeah. So what our target if we take this short position? Let's look at 15-minute time frame. If we see anything interesting, or 1 hour. Okay, our target gonna be this level, I guess. Either this level, I think this level. What a high of this? 31,899. So if we set that short position, then our target gonna be this one. It's gonna test this bullish breaker high right here. So what is the high of this? It's 31.99. Okay. Yes. That's one of the key levels that we are identify. And this, what you call this? Just the target, right? Target for short. And this is a bearish. No, it's a bullish breaker. Okay. On M15, we saw it on the right. Okay, let's see how it's play out. I mean, in the other day of the week, we can expect is, but on Friday, I don't know, for some reason on Friday I feel like it's not moving, but for lately it surprised me a lot. On Friday it moved a lot. So let's see. Okay, so remember if we check a long position right here, you remember we entered right here, then our stop loss right here is still safe, right there, we're still in a trade. And if we check a short position, our entry right here or gonna be right here, then our stop loss here, so we're still in the trade. Let's see. If we break out of this range, right, that the range is great right now, and we are 29 minutes into the trading. Okay, this is the range that the price are in right now. Let's see if how long it will stay in this range. Let's see how long it will stay in this range. Okay, that's the range so far for the first 30 minutes. And you see that we are about to close the first hour from 9 to 10. But you know, not first, but it's the 1 hour candle from 9 to 10. That's the 1 hour candle area. So we are about close, so it's very significant. And we are in the Killian right here, New York Killian. Wow, see how it really makes move. Wow, so so if we short, we're still in the position, right? You see, we were checking out. Let me make the annotation right here. So So if we enter a long machine day here, we enter a little bit too early. We wanted to retest to create a double bottom, a high low. So that's our lesson learned right here. Instead of entry at 38, right, we should enter at 47 because we wanted to form a double bottom, make a high low for to entry. And our target will be here. Let's see. So if we enter short, we are still in position. We haven't been taken out yet. We haven't stopped out yet. So let's see. Break out this range, yes. So basically we are still in this range, right? This auto block and barrier breaker right there. 30 minutes, 32 minutes into the trading day, and that's this how far we go right there. Well, if you look at this, is an order block, right? It move away right away. Then we look, it's another order block right here, 49, and it's move away from order block. See another order block right here, and move away from the block. So it come back very bullish right now on a 1 minute time frame. Let's see if break anything. Wow, it break the range right there. No, it's gonna be right here. Let's see, we're still in the short trade right there. It haven't hit our stop loss, yes, but you can see the huge value gap right here. Huge value gap right there. It may test this over. It's a fair value gap. High time frame. Yeah, so if we enter short position, we were taken out right there. Just taken out right there. Wow, we taken out at 10:04. It went to the short. So let's put into our shadow. Stop out, get hit at 10:04. Especially if we enter a short position. But if we enter a long position right here, we are in a still in the trade. So we enter right here. What we're gonna get? 32.77, and right here. Wow. Let's see. We hit our $1. Yeah, we hit our $1 move. Wow. Yeah, let's take a look what our target for a long trade. We take a screenshot of that. So let's see. You see, our target is at the 34.61. Are we right there? 34.61, not yet. 34.61. No, we haven't hit that one yet. We are still waiting for it to hit. But you see it hit and then it reject right away. Wow, this level. So we are at this level now. So we can treat this as an order block to go down. Then this is also our opponent intrigue right here. Order block, fair value gap. So we have a reason to enter short right here if we want to. But you see it's the order block, fair value gap right there. So this is a retest. And right there. Let's see. But if we enter along with Shinjay here and when it reach rate 1 hour $1, we already have 1 hour $1 right here. 78. So out of 78 right here, we get our trade. We have our $1 move right there. 105. So yeah. We can see any fair value gap right here. See right here. I think we will be more realistic if we set our target 34. Yeah. Right here. Right. Let's see. So we are 39 minutes into the trading. I'll go get some water. Be right back. All right, it make the big quick move up right there. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, we will target to see if hit this target right here or right here. Because it's a swing low, right? The swing low is a barrier breaker right there. See if it hit the level, the target. If it break this and then retest, keep going up, or it fell and it start go back down again. Let's look at the smart money diversion. Wow. So right here, smart money diversion. So it make a lower low, right? This one make a higher low. The QQQ. And the SPY make a lower low. So that's our smart money diversion right there. So basically the QQQ is more bullish than the SPY. Very interesting. Normally the QQQ is more bearish, but in this case more bullish. So very interesting. Let's go back to the pointer for now. Previous day open. Wow, beautifully, right? If our target is previous day open, then we hit our target right there. So we have to revise this trade. It should be previous day open. That's it. That's our target, and it got hit at 10:10. Right? You remember the trade we take? We should take target right here. It's too big. Our target should be the previous day open. Right? Yep, previous day open right here. Beautiful trade. Why previous day open? This is a key level. Right here, you see previous day open at 9:30 open. Wow. Now we see. Okay, so we learn right there. We need to set our targets in a mechanic way, which is the previous day open. The most, high probability that it will hit. So let's revise that trade. So the target is previous day open around 433.94, and the target is at 10.10.10. So here's our journal. We lock that trade right there, right? It's on a 1 minute time frame. We see a long setup. Why? Because we see that the liquidity will push the sell side of the world, so we can engage. And setup we engage auto block fair up, and the target we previous day open, and the target hit. So if we take this trade, it will be a successful trade right there. A long setup right there. Yeah, one more thing we put to the note. That is right here, smart money diversion, right? So basically the QQQ make a high or low, and SPY make a low or low. So we hit our target right there, and we out for the trade. So let's see how much we make. More than $1. Our target is 32, and yeah, we make about $1.80 something right there. Right, let's see. Let's say we want to show label. Let's see, show something. Yeah, we make $1.16, something like that. So more than $1 for it right there. Yep. Let's see. Yep. 33, 32. Yeah, $1.16. Yep. So we can make, our target is just $1 move. We will reach, 20 cents, 25 cents to get $1. So it's about 1-to-4 ratio right there. It can be done. Here, you not reach much at all. You see right here, 47. The stop loss is right here, or 5 cents below that. So we are, on patient always pay off, right? We're so quick to get this in here, but if we're patient, we'll wait, we'll have better entry right here. So always wait, always be patient. You may miss it, but you have a better entry. When you have a better entry, you have a better chance to stay in the trade and wait for your target. Because if you do entry right here, your target is going to be at this midpoint. You get hit out. Right here, you cannot afford a bigger stop loss. You start up very tight, and then you get hit right there. You get stop out right there. we also learned that when you see the array here, wow, one more thing you can know that is the buy sell liquidity taken, and after the sell side, to see if it breaks this one. If it fell, then we know that it's going to go up. We have buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity taken, and then buy side liquidity taken, and then the retest happened. Wow. We forgot to annotate this one also. You see, that's the buy sell liquidity taken. That will be induce or bait the people who want to short, right? They say, oh, buy sell liquidity taken. That means it start going down now, so we will go in and short them. You see, short right here, short right here, short right here, right? And then they all got taken out right there. We got stopped out of their trade right there. Yeah, because right here, right? You say, oh, right here I short them. Yeah, the same idea we have previous. We want to short them, but the markets have a different idea. They want to trap people who short them. Short them, right? Short right here, short right here, short again, boom, it check you out. Right, you better, and for the long people, long right here, can you long right here, or you will shake and stop out? And if you long right here, you long right here, you long right here, then you better take profit right here. Otherwise, you're gonna stop out right there. You see, you stop out. Yeah, take our profits. Yep. So this is a good trade for a long trade, which is we enter right here, and our target is previous day open, and we take profits $1. That's good enough for today. What other idea we see? So we can see also the buy side liquidity taken, so it start will go down right now. It's a retracement or gonna be a continue the trade. And you see, you can cause a double top right there, right? Double top, you start short them. But when you short them, this trade, the target gonna be right here, open at 9:30. So we see that the buy side liquidity taken. That means our rule of engagement is met. So we can take short position right there. We can take short right here, right? This is our order block. And fair value gap to see if we're going to retest this error. See if we're going to retest the error so we can take a short position. Yeah. Right here. Yep. Come up here, I will short them. Yeah, it come short of 923. Yeah, short 923. Short. Let's take a screenshot. If we see the setup, we just pull the trigger. No question asked. So what the idea? Order block, fail value gap, retest, a short setup, entry time, a 10:23, maybe too early. Wait from after 10:30. Let's see how it goes. The confluence is also double top pattern. Yeah, let's see. And the target gonna be 9:30 open. Or open at 9:30. Yeah, let's see how it plan out. Wow, we might stop out. Okay, so let's remove. Wonderful. Oh, so if we take the short tray right here, right? We got stop out. We got stop out. Yep. We might, because we put right here, right? Order block. Then yeah, we will stop out. If we don't want to stop out, we have to put the stop out above that level a little bit. If our stop out too tight, we got stop out. Well, it looked like the right trade. Try to shake you out one more time before going down. You see that? 25. Yeah, so if we short at this one, 23, yeah, we did mention a little bit too early. So let's see, 25. And we know that the DR model said that at 10:30, we will know the high of the day or the low of the day. So maybe this one is the high of the day. You see the pattern right there? You know, double top. But let's see. I mean, on the 5 minutes, we don't see much action, but 1 minute we see lots of move. But if 5 minutes, you see barely move at all, and it's still around. However, if you see that, if you treat this as order block right here, so it's still above, not close below the order block, so it's still bullish, right? And you remember this one is become your support right here. See that? Right? This is still around this error right here. Your bullet breaker, so this will be your support level right there. Anyway, our time's up. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later. Bye for now.